Hello investors, welcome to Shastra, where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 66 of our 100-day price action challenge and it's a blood bath in the markets. You can see here on the my index, right? Almost all the indices were negative. Even at least all the indices were down 2%, but look at sectoral charts. IT is down 4%, auto down 4%, telecom is down 4%, media is down almost 4%. That's even India, which is up almost 5%. That's a massive, massive, massive selling. No one wants to be in such market. But I just want you to remember that when you have entered the market, you have already agreed to the risk it is giving, and it is always our responsibility to manage that risk. Do not expect that market will spare you or your friend or your family. It treats every single person as same. It is up to us whether we want to manage the risk or not. It took a lot of guts for me to made a complete 100% cash call somewhere around this period. There was a lot of patience in me waiting for me because Jesse Livermore had told that you make money in the market by sitting tight, and sitting tight and doing nothing is one of the toughest job in the market, because every single day you would be bombarded with all the news out there, telegram channel, whatsapp groups, news media. Everyone would be saying something new, everyone would be sharing something exciting, and you want to be the part of that exciting story. But again, I want you to take a moment here, focus on chart. Price is the ultimate thing. Price discounts every single news, every single analyst revision, every single estimate. So always trust the price. Let's start our video. I know it's very tough to watch this bloodbath on Nifty Next 50. Look at Nifty Next 50. It has breached not only below the election low. This was the previous correction we had, a little blip we had in 2024. Now Nifty 50, Next 50 has almost reached that level. Even the large cap Nifty 100, till yesterday we thought the large caps were at least doing better. Nifty was holding up, but Nifty Next 50 was not holding. But today Nifty 2 has given up. Even the large caps are not spared. The whole blue chip companies, which were fundamentally strong, are hitting lower days every single day. Look at midcap again breached the most important support zone, which was this. Now again heading for almost this level, so I would be watching 16,718 level. Again, I know it's very very stupid for me to draw these lines, because market is not even respecting the support zones. They are we are seeing just 1 or 2 days of relief in the market, and we were seeing a huge fall. The same thing, see, look at small cap, just from the top somewhere around here in the September, my small cap index was down 27% almost. That's massive. That's one third, almost one third of value is lost. Same thing happened on microcap. At least there was some kind of relief buying happened in the last 1 hour of microcap index. Look at the broad Nifty 500, 20,000 level is broken down. That's one of the most crucial psychological round numbers, right? It is also getting broken down today. Look at Nifty total market index. This is 750 stocks together. Again, the overall trend is very, very bad. We have already entered into a bear market almost a month ago. Now there is no relief or pain relieving thing which you could see now. Gold, even gold is also going down. It used to be very strong, right? It has literally are taking down this mini support zone. But again, because of this, during this uncertainty times, many people want to hold the gold, right? Silver is as usual very very choppy, not at all acting well. Now comes the toughest part, watching the sectoral charts. At least bank stocks were holding up. The private stocks, private banking names has literally hold the Nifty today. We will see in our daily 100 analysis. Look at private banks, it is just down 1%. I would give very, very 100% marks to Bank Nifty or Nifty private banks, because it has held up strongly today. PSU Bank down 3%. IT, look at IT, down 4%. Yesterday, Nasdaq index was down 3%. Nvidia stock fell almost 9%. We are seeing a spillover effect in the IT somewhere around here. We thought IT has broken its long term support. Please be careful if you are holding IT stocks. That's what I have been telling you guys. And from this point onwards, IT's index is down literally 10% this week itself. Entire IT companies lost 10% of their value. Look at auto. Major selling happened when it broken down here. From this point itself, down another 10%. Reality was at least little bit spared, but again, you see already the major carnage has happened on the reality. Pharma is down again 2%. Infra down 2%, making new lows. You have to zoom out my chart forcefully to see what was the previous support zone here, because if I put it 1 year, the charts are almost at the bottom of the screen. FMCG, see, look at here, another major fall. This was one of the most weakest, again down 8% almost. Telecom index itself is down 4%. Probably Bharati Airtel was crashed today. Healthcare down 2%, media down 3.5%. It's very tough. Now let's start with our daily 100 stocks. Today I'm shifting to a different volume just to see how was the volume today, because we are seeing major sell off, right? Uh, I'm very glad that Reliance has hold this 1200 level. If Reliance has broken down this 1200 and is just falling like other stocks, Nifty would have been very bad. So it is completely dependent on Reliance and HDFC, because I think together these two companies itself hold 20-23% of weightage in Nifty. If these two stocks are down 10%, Nifty would be easily down another 2.5-3%. TCS is acting very bad. Look at the volumes here, 7 million shares. The average volumes traded are usually 2.29 millions, right? Here, the volume here is 7 million shares. That's massive selling happened today. HDFC is paid today. In fact, the buying was happening. Probably all the money is moving into HDFC. I guess we are seeing highest volume in quarter today, almost jump in 150%. But again, do not think that HDFC would rally now. The market condition is not at all cooperating, but at least HDFC is holding up. Bharti Airtel down 5%. Look at the volume, very big. I want you to see the screen here as well as here today. ICICI Bank again, massive selling. See, the volumes are very high today. That major players are exiting from the market. This was a complete panic selling. Look at Infosys. It has broken down its long-term support zone. That's a very bad selling. We have highlighted somewhere around here. Infosys breaks this, it will definitely test this level. And I hate to be true that Infosys has, because many people are losing money in the market. I feel bad for every single person out there. SBI down again 2%. Hindustan Unilever see massive fall, highest volume in quarter, massive 100% increase in volumes. That's the sell-off we are seeing in the market. Bajaj Finance at least holding up this gap. That's really strong. I did not expect Bajaj Finance to hold up in this. But again, you never know. If it breaks below this 8300 level, that would be some trouble for Bajaj Finance. But at least as of now, Bajaj Finance is holding up. ITC down again 1.5%. Look at the volumes, 100% jump in volumes. LIC, there was some selling in the beginning, but again looks like it has closed flat. So probably some form of buying happened in the LIC. HCL Tech, this was the where it has started again. Major. See, the other day when it had such a seen a 3% fall, the volumes were high. Same thing happened today. L&T has now finally decided. There was some confusion here between the buyers and sellers. Looks like the sellers are clearly dominant as of now. Maruti down 3.5%. Here it has broken down its 50 EMA. The volumes were very high. Even Kotak came back to its zone again. Kotak used to be very strong. At least Bajaj Finance came out of that zone, right? But Kotak could never come out of it. Looks like Kotak is going to take some more time here. Sun Pharma, right from there was a little bit gap up in Sun Pharma, but again from that moment on it was down 5%, volumes massive. Mahindra and Mahindra again broke down its long-term support. We have been talking yesterday that many stocks were reaching the long-term support zones, and looks like it has clearly broken down today. Ultratech, look at the selling happening here. There was some news yesterday, and again today the selling was in the same magnitude, almost 1.2 million shares. That's almost 400% increase in volumes, right? See, massive exits by players. Axis Bank has already got a lot of damage, so now it's staying flat there. That's a good thing. If Axis Bank is also getting sold out, Bank Nifty would have been in trouble. NTPC, again, nothing interesting. Almost all the PSU stocks have been beaten down by this time, hence they are not moving much. Look at Wipro. This used to be one of my favorite stocks until the point somewhere around here. But again, in the between also it has corrected. But again, there was a very sharp bounce. But look at here, massive selling, 5%. It was down almost 6%, almost down 6%. IT not at all looking good. Bajaj Finserv as of now holding well still. If it goes below this level, that means a little exit for swing or positional traders. The volume was very low. See, that's the difference between the stronger name and a weaker name. Even when it has corrected, look at the volumes. Very minute volumes, less than yesterday's volumes. ONGC again a very sharp increase in volumes, down 2.5%, almost made a new 52-week low. Now it has literally touched the election day low. So that's where even ONGC has reached its long-term support zone, not looking good. Titan again in a free fall, massive fall today, 4.5%. Adani Enterprises today, even Adani stocks got beaten down, but at least Adani Enterprises did not correct much, but most of the damage has already done long back, right? Look at Tata Motors. I still don't understand why, how much stock can go down. It can go down to 100%. We have been watching Tata Motors almost from this level. It is down almost 48%. It has lost half of its value in last 200 days. We are talking about some 3 lakh crore, 1 lakh crore companies here losing their entire market cap, half of their market cap. Power Grid down 2%. Look at here, highest volume in quarter, 38 million. It's 200% jump in volumes, massive selling. Bajaj Auto, just that we thought how much further it can fall, looks like it is going to fall again. From this point onwards, even Bajaj Auto is down 40% almost. JSW still, at least as of now, holding now. This stock has been resisting the entire correction, but it has also been not moving from a very long time. At least it's a holder. It is just holding there. Adani Ports, looks like the Adani stocks are not in a buzz. This morning I have seen some more to Adani stocks, so it has done nothing today. DMart again, there was, although volume was not much high, but price was down again 3%. Coal India, looks like there was some short covering happened in Coal India. It was up 1.5%, or probably something news has came out of Coal India. Hindustan Aeronautical down 5%, almost, massive volumes. Very bad scenario. Probably the next level would be somewhere around here, which is 2800 levels. Zomato down 3%, massive exit. See, again 100% increase in volumes. Nestle India, see, yesterday there was some little buzz, right, for the last 3 days. Look at here, the entire buzz was taken out by single day, and look at the volumes. Asian Paints broke down, made a new low today. Oh my god, I thought how much stock can for even see, look at it, just like Tata Motors almost. Despite this is down only 36%, but again it looks massive. It has been correcting from a very long time. See, last year then it was around 3400, now it is at 22. Adani Power 2 got rejected here, nothing interesting. Bharat Electronics, at least some selling was paid here, not much of volumes. Trend looks like there was some positive value buying probably, but you never know. Trend has already lost its for it to regain its prior glory, it needs to close above 6200. Simons, I really wish I'm holding this short right now. It's a free fall. It's a free fall stock. Look at here. All the red candles are highlighting, right? Tata still surprisingly hold up well. Indigo too, it's holding up. Indigo looks like one of the stronger names lately. Here it is holding up. That's very interesting. So let's keep Indigo in our watch list. I know there is no point of making watch list, but again, when the market recovers, these were the stocks which would fly high. IOC down 2.5%, massive volume. DLF again down 1%, massive volume. Grasim too. Grasim has also started selling again. Look at Varun Beverages, highest volume in year. 48 million shares, 500% jump. Yesterday it was highest volume in quarter. Today there was a massive exit. That is how the institutions exit. People ask me, how do you identify whether a mutual fund or a pension fund or any big institutions are entering into the market or exiting from the market? This is how we find, because retailers don't have such kind of volumes. Only institutions have such kind of volumes. IRFC down 6.5%, broke down its crucial support, not at all looking good. See, major support line broken down, very bad. Vedanta too has broken down its 400 level. It's very crucial. 400 was very important for Vedanta. Looks like it is also trying to correct now. But again, Tata still didn't correct much, so I'm not expecting Vedanta too. But again, you should never have any bias. Tech Mahindra down 6.5%. I've told you it would reach 1500 level, but I never thought it would just reach this level that soon. Massive fall. Not at all looking healthy. Divi's Lab 2 has almost reached its long-term support. We can just draw a line here. I don't want to draw lines today because that feels very scary for the eyes as well as for the viewers, I guess. SBI Life, after a long consolidation, broken down today again, massive volumes. LTM, there is like no. This is the classic example of do not try to catch a falling knife. You will hurt your hands. Your hands will bleed. See, look at the magnitude it is falling down. Geo Finance, highest volume in quarter, 50 million shares, 150% jump in volumes, down 6.5%, massive exit, another pre-fall stock. Hindalco surprisingly hold up well. See, metal stocks are acting a little bit different, I guess. I don't know why. Some fundamental story, some economic story, some global story. Do not fall into the stories, always go into the price. Pidilite not looking good. Eicher Motors again down today, massive fall. HDFC Life took broken down its mini support. Look at the jump in volumes. Adani Green, yes, this was the stock I was talking about, down 4%. Highest volume, again massive exit by institutions. Bajaj Holding still respecting these levels. I am little bit surprised, although down 4% today. PFT massive exit. Look at the volumes, jump in volumes, 3.5% down. Same thing, Lodha 3.5, 5% down. Major exit. Cipla too almost has touched its support zone. Interest. Could it further fall? I think the probability is very high. Ambuja Cement free fall stock. Britannia finally broke down. It's again made a new low today. See, very weak. Cholamandalam gave back the entire gains it gave yesterday, but still, as of now, acting well. Not surprised because of its strength. The entire NBFC sector is acting well now. ABB free fall. Tata Motors holding, Tata Power holding up. I wish Tata Motors were holding up. TVS Motor broke down today, massive volumes again. Godrej Consumer Property, massive. Shriram Finance is up. Look at back to back, two volumes are highest volume. See, that's where you are seeing, right? Money is flowing from one sector to another sector. Money is moving into Shriram Finance, Bajaj Finance, Cholamandalam. That's why chart helps you. Price plus volume is the ultimate combination. Forget indicators, forget sales data, forget estimates, forward earnings. Just look at price and volume. BPCL down again, massive exit. Punjab National Bank down 5%. That's a massive fall. Crucially broke down its support zone. Very weak. Bank of Baroda, same scenario. Gale, same scenario. Torrent Pharma, massive exit. Highest volume in quarter. Is there some kind of rebalancing happening today? I don't think so. Because why such highest volumes? Was it exit or some kind of rebalancing happening? I guess. Three Cement 3.5%. Finally, it has given up, but at least as of now, holding. But again, very choppy trend. It used to look good, not at all looking good now. REC 5% down, massive exit. Tata Consumer C, highest volume in quarter, 5 million shares, 200% jump. Magnitude. Look at the magnitude, it is falling down. Same thing, United Spirits. Havels back to back highest volume exits. Naukari to very almost 300% jump in volume. See, Dr. Reddy is not looking good. Dabur broken down 500 level. This is what I was scared about. Its long term support is somewhere around this zone. If it breaks below this zone, that would be very big trouble for Dabur. Apollo Hospitals looks like a free fall stock. Zaidu is not looking good. Union Bank at least held up well, unlike Canara or unlike PNB, it is holding up decent. Motherson gap down, massive increase in volumes, not looking good. Jindal Steel looks like the volumes are very high, but the price did not correct, so that's a different scenario. We will keep watching on it. It's also a bit interesting, but again, Lombard not looking good. iPro made a new low today. JSW Energy struggling at the bottom of the chart despite many buying on the chart. Oh, Indus highest volume in quarter. Looks like there was some rebalancing. This is the usual volume. It happens unless it's either earnings or some other reason. Probably some rebalancing is happening. So, but still, 5% down with such huge volumes is not at all good sign. Adani Energy Solutions not good. Bosch not good. Canara Freefall. Hero MotoCorp made a new low today, just like Tata Motors. This is one of the weakest name, down 40%. NHPC made a new low but got quickly rejected here. BHEL made a new low. See, very careful. Be careful with PSU stocks as of now. Made a new low, broken down support. Adani Total Gas almost reached its all-time low, I guess. IRCTC new low. IRCTC has been not doing anything for almost last 4.5 years. I know we have reached the end of our 100-day analysis. Looks like the market is in big trouble. Let the market settle down. Please stay away from the market. So see you on the Monday. Thanks a lot for watching.